Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everything in between, welcome back to another Janny C Raps car video. Now today we are going to be going over the basics inside a manual transmission vehicle. Now let's get into the video. Guys, today we are taking a look inside the 2013 Nissan Versa. Now, when you first get into a manual car, you are going to realize two things. First, there are three pedals. There's your brake, your gas, and your clutch. To realize is the car has a manual shifter instead of an automatic shifter. So the way you work this is you always put your foot down all the way down onto the clutch pedal, and then now that you're in neutral, you can see by the car moving left and right, you just down and up into one. That is first gear. And then you have down into two, up middle, up three, down is 4, to the right and up is 5, and all the way down is reverse. Now that's neutral. The next thing you're going to realize is the car has an e-brake. Now this is a manual handbrake. This way it's like a brake for the car. We are looking at starting the car. So what you want to do is set the key all the way to the run position and then step all the way down on the clutch. And now, while the e-brake is still up, you're going to want to turn the car until you hear it's ready and running. Alright guys, now I know that video was pretty short. I'm actually editing it right now. You guys can see I'm editing it right now. But all I want to say is that even though this video was kind of short and suckish, that it was just a basic, like, inside a manual transmission car. I will later on show you how to run a manual transmission car, how to properly start it, and how to drive it. But this was just a quick, you know what, let's show you the basic details of what's inside. Because a lot of you guys are watching these videos like, I want to get a manual, but then none of you guys know what's inside a manual transmission car. So this is just a little quick, you know what, this is what's inside. So the topics we went over was clutch, gas, brake. Then we have the shifter in the middle and the handbrake or the e-brake. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know, we're trying to get to 200 subscribers by my birthday, July 14th. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.